Hi dears ladies and gentlemen, it's Edgar Fondani, the founder of Bongo Forex, and today is our weekly analysis. We're going to look for opportunities and forecasts for the next week trades. Remember guys, this is your educational purpose video and is not intended to provide you any sort of signal providing services. So clearly every trade you're gonna make out of this analysis and forecast is based upon your own risk. Now guys, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to proceed, and we're gonna start by looking at DXY, the dollar currency index. And as you may know, that dollar currency index is the navigator or the compass of trading. Why? There's so many reasons for that, and please just join our group, VIP group, where you could learn a lot why DXY is so important. But anyways, let's proceed. So on DXY chart, we're clearly on a very bullish market. As you can see, the price keeps on trending up and up and up, and clearly now the price has come back to all-time highs of 99.10. so probably you should see the price have a bit of a drop from there, a bit of a pullback like that, probably keep on grinding all the way up here, and perhaps if the price breaks through this minor trend line, we should see the price coming back here and probably have a bit of consolidation. But anyways guys, you're still holding a bullish sentiment on dollar currency. Now let's proceed. Now my first pair I'm gonna look at is Euro JPY, because it's super interesting pair based on the fact that it's been trending super good over time now, and clearly you can see the price is trending all the way down. Now here provides us a lot of opportunities on selling side, and what we should expect is we should see the price doing something like that, and then seeing a further sell-off of Euro JPY, and that will be an ultimate trade based on that breakout. So here we're going to put our, around those areas, we're going to put our entry point. That will be a sell stop. So guys, remember, this is pure technicals. We not factor in any fundamentals so far, so good. So things might turn around, and that kind of factor you need to cook in your trading. Anyways guys, so the second trade you're gonna look at is USD CAD. USD CAD is super interesting as well, because of two main factors. Probably for the next coming week should see oil grinding higher and higher. Hence, with a minor drop in dollar, we should see this trade creating a good bearish opportunities, something like that, and probably a breakout, and then test this previous support area, and that will be an ultimate signal for our trade for the USD CAD. Clearly you can see on the downward trends, did that break out a bit of a retest around those areas, plus you can see with the first kiss around there, second kiss, now we on the third kiss right now, and that is an ultimate trade opportunity. If you go to 1 hour, that's where we're gonna look for our tacticals, our entry points and our exit points. Clearly you can see the price is squeezing, forming some sort of a wedge, where here you could create a really good sell stop. And clearly guys, that thing was supposed to do for this week, based on USD CAD. Or probably if you're late, could look for that retest and then drive the price all the way down, and that could be an ultimate trade for the USD CAD. Allow me to move on to WTI. WTI also is such an interesting pair, so it's an interesting commodity to trade. Why? Now pay attention very closely here guys. So WTI over the long run, it's been on bearish side. So far so good, but now you can clearly see there's a wedge forming, where that could create a good opportunity for us to look for that for that buying opportunity. So clearly for this coming week, as you can see in those arrows, we're going to play the same game here. We just want to see the price breaking out of that area, a bit of a pullback, a retest, and then you drive the price all the way up to all-time highs, previous all-time highs. So clearly traders, that is our ultimate trade look for the WTI for this coming week. Other trade would be USD Chef guys. USD Chef, super interesting pair. Can clearly see now we're on some sort of consolidation. On this consolidation phase, we just want to have a bit of how may I call it, so where are you? If I'm going to draw a rectangle, what I mean by consolidation, this is what a consolidation looks like. Oops, there's a bit of so in going back to 1 hour, we can clearly see this is a bit of a consolidation zone, and that will create a good selling opportunity for USD chef so far. And also look at this uptrend, the price just came back here and had a bit of a retest, so clearly this is a good trade for us to short for the coming week, and also provide us with really good risk reward ratios. And yeah, so it's a good trade. I think all traders are gonna look at for this coming week. Moving on gold as well. Gold is consolidating right now, so far so good, and clearly we're still waiting for that buy stop to be triggered. So far so good. We have not buy gold, we just put a buy stop on that area up here, and the price hasn't take us in on that gold trade. So clearly what we're waiting for gold trade is simply, I just want to see I just want to see that bit of a breakout, pull back, a retest, and then we're gonna buy it all the way up. So clearly based on that, our risk reward ratio is going to be 1.97. so clearly that's on the ultimate trade on gold. So running to Aussie dollar USD, Aussie dollar USD is such a super setup, guys. I like this kind of setups. This is a bit of bearish. Also fundamentally, we have massive interest differential between these two countries, dollar and Australia. So clearly we just want to see that breakout happening, a bit of a pullback, and we're gonna drag the price all the way down. So clearly that's my my take on Aussie dollar USD. Moving on USD Japanese yen. 2 weeks, 3 weeks back, we took that trade of USD JPY, and clearly what we were looking for was our buying opportunity based on that breakout all from here down and trying to drive the price up. So clearly, guys, what I'm looking for this week is I just want to see that pullback. I just want to see that bit of a pullback here, and then I'm gonna drive the price all the way up. I'm gonna buy and take my profit around those areas. So clearly, guys, you can see that provides us really good what's it called, risk reward ratios of 2.17 ratio 1. So we're risking 1 to get 2.17. so that will be a great trade for us for this coming week. That was USD JPY. Lastly, we're gonna look at Euro Aussie dollar. So simply, we're just following the trend. Technically, we have a bit of a pullback here, but I'm waiting for the price to come to those areas, and that's are the areas where I'm going to look for my buy opportunity, and I'm gonna drive the price all the way up. So guys, Euro Aussie dollar. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like us, follow us on Instagrams and all our social media platforms. It's really important to remember that this video is just educational purpose, and clearly is not intended to provide any sort of signal providing service. And guys, lastly, just try to look at the calendar, and interesting enough, next week we have non-farm payrolls. I hope many traders, you're eyeing on this trade, you're eyeing on this news to make those trades. And if you don't really understand trading NFPs or economics data, try your best to avoid these kind of trades. Get out and don't make any trades. But anyway, it's gonna be tough for most of you to pay to obey, to be disciplined on that basis. But hopefully you're going to understand one day my concept and why I hate trading the news. So guys, thank you so much, and hope to see you next week. Cheers.